In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Canva. We will walk through it together so your designs stay seen only by the people you choose. Start by opening the Canva app or website and signing into your account. If you are using a phone, you will see the usual home screen with your recent designs and templates. On a computer, you will see the dashboard with a sidebar on the left and thumbnails of your recent projects in the center. Now open the design you want to protect in the editor. Tap or click the design thumbnail and it will load into the main editing area. You should see your pages in the center, with a toolbar above and panels like elements and text on the side. Once the design is open, any privacy changes you make will apply to this specific project only. Next, click or tap Share. On a phone, the Share button usually sits at the top right and looks like an arrow or the word Share. On a computer, it is a purple button at the top right of the editor. When you select it, a sharing panel opens, usually sliding down from the top or popping up from the bottom on mobile. From here, find the collaboration link or access settings in that share panel. It might say link settings, collaboration link, or have a section that shows who can access the design. This area controls how other people can open your design, whether through a direct invitation or a simple link. Now choose the privacy level you want. You will see a few options that define who can open your design with the link. At this point, pay close attention to the labels so you do not pick a more open setting than you intend. Only people added can access is the most private option available. With this selected, the design will not open for anyone unless you have added their email in Canva. Even if someone guesses or receives the link, Canva blocks access until they are specifically added. This is a good choice for sensitive projects like client work or internal documents. Only your team means people in your Canva team with the link can access. This setting is useful inside a workplace or classroom where everyone is part of the same Canva team. Team members who are not on that team or people outside will not be able to open the design even if they find the link. Anyone with the link means literally anyone who has the link can access the design. Someone can open it without signing in, depending on your setup. Avoid this for private or personal content because links can be forwarded or pasted into chats without you noticing. Where available, choose whether people can view or edit the design. View means they can only look, not change anything. Edit lets them move items, change text, or even delete pages. Many beginners forget that edit access allows others to overwrite their work, so use edit only with people you fully trust. When you are done, close the sharing panel. The change is saved automatically. You will not usually see a save button here because Canva updates the sharing setting the moment you choose it. If you reopen Share, you should see your chosen privacy level still applied. For the highest privacy, follow this path in your mind. Design, then Share, then Collaboration link, then only people added can access. That sequence keeps access locked down as tightly as Canva allows on this design. Then add specific people by their email address if you want them to have access. Canva checks the email and shows you when the invite is ready, so you can confirm you picked the right person before sending. Canva identifies this as its most private sharing option because only listed emails get in. You have now set your Canva design privacy so only the people you choose can open it. So if this helped you lock things down, please give a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Canva tips.